Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable all the judges and all the audience. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're happy and healthy. My name is Maulida Najwa Shifa Azarawi and I'm from MTSN 1 Pati. Well, today I would like to tell you about an interesting story entitled The Crying Stone, a folktale from West Kalimantan. In a small, serene village, nestled between rolling hills and lush cornfields, there lived a girl and her mother. The girl was known for extraordinary beauty. Her face was radiant, her skin smooth and sleek, and her hair shimmered like layers of gold in the sunlight. Villagers often paused, as she passed by, marveling at her ethereal appearance. Her beauty became the talk of the neighboring village, and many believed she was blessed by the god Jamsa. Yet, for all her utter perfection, there lay a flaw deep within her heart. She was vain and lazy. While her mother toiled endlessly in the fields under the blazing sun, sweat drenching her brow and soil staining her hands, the girl sat idly by. She would spend hours gazing at her reflection-polished bronze mirror, tilting her head this way and that, and admiring her own image. One fateful morning, as the golden rays bathed the village, the mother approached her daughter with a request. "My dear, would you come with me to the market today? You need to buy some food," she asked gently. The girl wrinkled her nose and disdained. "Why? Why should I go? I don't like the market. It's dusty and full of common folk," she said. The mother sighed, her heart heavy with disappointment. "I will buy you clothes if you can," she said, hoping to persuade her daughter. Hearing this, the girl's eyes lit up. "Fine, but on one condition, you must walk behind me. I don't want people to think you're my mother," she declared arrogantly. Though deeply hurt, the mother agreed. She loved her daughter and hoped that kindness may eventually soften her heart. As they walked through the passing pathway to the market, the villagers couldn't help but stop and admire the girl's beauty. Her graceful stride and elegant attire captivated everyone's attention. However, their curiosity was piqued by the sight of the modestly dressed woman following behind her. "Who is the woman walking behind you?" asked a magician. The girl smiled smugly and replied, "Ah, she's my servant." Her mother had sang at this word, but she remained silent and her sorrow pride within. As they continued, more people started to ask the same question. Each time, the girl repeated the same cry. "She's my servant." The mother poured the humiliation silently, but with each line, her heart grew heavier and her pain deeper. Finally, the mother could no longer endure the darkness. Tears streaming down her face, and she clasped her hand and prayed fervently. "Dear God, if my daughter cannot change hers, please punish her so that she may learn of her error of her action. Please, God." The skies stretched until trouble finally. The girl paused, out of confession and fear crossing her face. Suddenly, she felt torn in the air from her life. To her horror, they began to happen to truth. Mother, please forgive me. I'm sorry for everything. Mother, please. She cried, desperation filling her voice. By the time her mother could only watch her heart breaking as her daughter's transformation continued. The stone grabbed her and engulfing her body inch by inch. By the time the girl smiled of her action, it was too late. Her entire body has turned to stone. Even a statue, her face was frozen in expression of regret and sorrow. Okay, everyone, what can we learn from the legend of Batu Menangis or the Crying Stone? What? That's right. The story carries a profound and timeless message. It teaches us that beauty and pride are fleeting, but humility, respect, and afterlife is the angel. Okay, everyone, thank you very much. That's all my story about the legend of Crying Stone. Thank you very much and for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.